Check out this 2019 Chrysler 300. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The 300 delivers the smart technology you need to be safe and connected, a ride that's smooth and quiet, and bold styling that conveys an air of distinction. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lights, auxiliary audio input, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, power steering. Old world elegance meets advanced safety and connectivity technology in the 300. Drive it today.